Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair user profile service error when sig in. To begin, on the lock screen, we click on the shutdown button, press the Shift key and click on Restart. This will start the system's advanced mode. Wait for Windows to restart in this mode. Now click on Troubleshoot. After that, click on Advanced Options and finally on Startup Settings. After that, click Restart and the system will reboot. When accessing, press the F4 key to start safe mode. You will wait for the session to start in this safe mode. Now click on the search box, right-click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. When you open the console, run the on-screen command to list the user profiles. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You must keep in mind the account identifier with the profile error. After this, in the search box, enter Regedit, open the registry editor. When you open the editor, go to the path you see on the screen. In the Profile List key, you can select the key with the profile with the error. To verify that it is the correct profile, open File Explorer. First, click on View and choose Show and then Hidden Items. In the CE unit, you see Users. Access the user's profile and in the name bar you can see the complete path. You are going to go back to the registry editor, double-click on the profile image path value. You are going to verify that the path matches. After this, right-click and select New, then click on toward 32-bit value. You will give this value the name refcount. When it is created, double-click on this value and confirm that its value is 0. Keep in mind, if you see a .back folder, you can create the same refcount value and delete the .back. Close the windows and restart Windows from the shutdown button. You will confirm that the profile can be logged in correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.